Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a favorites video for you guys. I haven't done one of these since I think March, and actually I was looking at all the videos that I've uploaded, and I've only done I think 4 since I moved to Alabama, and that was over 6 months ago. So I just wanted to do kind of like a quick favorites video for you guys. And I thought it'd be like a little fun update. I don't have a ton of stuff to show you guys, but yeah, like I said, I just wanted to do kind of like an update favorites video. I've been having so many technical issues. My ring light has just like randomly shut off a couple times, which is kind of worrying me that it's just gonna like completely die. So we'll see. I have other lighting if that does happen, but it's kind of stressing me out. And my camera, the last time I tried to use it, it was only recording for like 5 minutes at a time, and that was after I fixed it. It was only filming for 1 minute at a time, so hopefully this works. I really want to get back into filming and uploading regularly. I've been really inspired by makeup lately, which used to always be inspired by makeup, but since I kind of started my own business about a year ago, I've really kind of taken a step back from everything beauty related, and I'm really excited and motivated to kind of get back into things and start being way more active on this channel. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm pretty sure I'm wearing the exact same thing that I wore in the last video that I did, but I wanted to wear this today because it is fully stocked and it's on sale. So I got this in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. The sale isn't going on anymore, but since it's Labor Day weekend, a lot of things that were in that sale and sold out are now on sale again, and they're fully stocked. And this was one of the things that sold out very quickly, and I don't know if it ever got restocked. So I'm definitely going to order this. I think in the black plaid. This comes in like 5 or 6 different colors, and I love this. It's the perfect top to just throw on with leggings or jeans, and I absolutely love it. So I'm definitely going to order it in at least one more color. And then this necklace I also got in the sale. I don't know if it's restocked at all, but this is definitely a favorite. It's just like the perfect necklace you can literally throw it on with any top regardless of what the neckline is, so I love it. Okay, my first official favorite of the month is my nails. I've been getting them done like this since July, but I just got them redone yesterday, so I'm like super obsessed with them right now. But I have struggled for so long with getting nail polish to stay on my nails. I can't use regular nail polish. It will chip off in like literally 24 hours, and like it doesn't matter what base coat, what top coat, what brand of nail polish I use, it doesn't stay on. So I have like a whole bunch of nail polish over there, and I just need to get rid of all of it because I seriously don't see myself ever using it again. So my nails, I've heard so many people talk about this, and I decided to give it a try. So I have been getting, it's called either dip or SNS. Like different people call it different things. I think technically it's called SNS, but a lot of people call it dip because you like dip your fingers in the powder. So I have just been getting white. I was gonna get a fall color, but I just love the white. So I was getting shellac on my nails for the longest time, and that lasted probably like 2 weeks. It would kind of start to chip off. So I would say this is more comparable to gel nails, like in the way they feel. Your nails are thicker, but I really, really like it. And my nails have been able to grow out. She had to cut them down quite a bit yesterday because they were just way too long, and I don't want like claws. I just want like fairly natural looking nails. So I just get them square, white, and I absolutely love them. So these last 3 weeks. Mine could definitely go longer than that, but since my nails grow so quickly, they just grow out too fast and I have to get them done. But after 3 weeks, like, there's no chipping or anything. So if your nail salon does this, I would highly recommend trying it out. It's like my new obsession. Okay, so I don't have that much makeup to talk about, so let's do makeup real quick. First is the lip combo I have on my lips. Super simple. The first thing I do is use the NYX lip liner. This is in the color Natural. It is like the perfect Your Lips but better color. I mean, it's pretty much like exactly the same color as my lips. I just use this to define them pretty much. And then on top, I use the Dior Lip Maximizer gloss. This is just the pink color. It comes in, I think, 3 colors, but really, I mean, they're all like clear once you put them on your lips, so it doesn't really matter what color you get. I've loved this for so long. It's like kind of plumping. It has like a little bit of a minty feel, but it isn't like, it doesn't sting like some lip plumping lip glosses, so I really like this one. Next, eyes. So these are the 2 palettes I've been reaching for, and actually just today I was looking in my collection and I realized that a lot of my favorite products are by Too Faced. I think because I just bought a new Too Faced product today and I was like putting it in the drawer and I just like realized how much Too Faced packaging was in my little makeup collection. So anyways, this is the Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette and the Sweet Peach palette. I have both of these on my eyes right now. I really hope that these weren't limited edition. I was like pulling them out to show you guys, and I have a feeling that this one might have been, but I don't know about this one. And they both smell so good. These are like old, not old, but they're probably at least like a year old. That one smells like peaches and this one smells like chocolate. And it's amazing. Did I just get, no. I thought I just got eyeshadow on my nose. They are just like really good everyday kind of palettes. Like I really like warm toned eyeshadows, which now, I mean, there's a million palettes like that, but these are the shadows I have been reaching for. So I thought that I would share them with you guys. And next is a bronzer. Bronzer is one of my favorite makeup items ever, and this one is one that I can't believe I waited so long to try because I've literally heard everyone and their mother talk about it, and actually I recommended this to my mom. Like we were out buying makeup and she wanted a bronzer and I told her to get this one, and I had never even tried it yet, but I had heard so many good things about it, so I just knew like it'd be good. Anyways, this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I just got the color bronzer. I think there might be 3 colors. But anyways, mine got a little like cracked when it was shipped. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of like a little messed up. But anyways, this is actually, I always thought this was a matte formula, but it has a little bit of like a satin finish to it. You guys can't even see that because it's so like overexposed. It is just like a really natural looking bronzer. Whenever bronzers have a little bit of that satin finish, I find that's when they look the most natural, as opposed to like a super shimmery one or a completely matte one. Like that little bit of shine in there just makes it look like skin, and I love it. That is actually all the makeup I have to show. Let's talk about hair, because I actually have some hair products to show you guys. So first are the Not Your Mother's Blonde Moment shampoo and conditioner. So I have tried so many purple shampoos over the past few years, and I've never found one that I really like. And I've also never found a conditioner specific, this was like in my hair, a conditioner, like a set that goes together that I really like both of the products. And I can't believe that I had never tried these before, because this brand I've loved for a long time and I didn't even know that these products existed. I kind of stumbled upon them on accident. So this is like the most pigmented purple shampoo I've ever used. You can kind of see. Also, it smells so good. So I went and got my hair highlighted probably a month ago now. You can see my roots are already back. I'm gonna go within the next couple weeks and get it redone again because it's not like nearly as light as I want it. But anyways, I got my hair done at the salon and it smelled so good, and like I didn't want to wash it, but of course I had to. And this was the first thing I used after I got my hair done, and this smelled the exact same as it did when I left the salon. So that made me super happy. It doesn't really smell like anything. It just smells like fresh, clean. So you have to be a little bit careful with this. Like I used this today and I was like really working it in to my scalp, and my hands kind of turned purple. It always goes away like by the end of the shower, but like that's how pigmented it is. It'll actually turn your skin purple, but that means it's really good. And then the conditioner actually doesn't have a smell to it, and it's less pigmented than the shampoo, but it's still really good. I like to use them together. I use them about once a week, and it's definitely kept my hair, like this side of my head especially, like the hair is almost white, and then this side, like, I don't know, it just needs to be lighter all around, so hopefully that'll be fixed the next time I go get it done. Okay, so next is my dry shampoo, and I go back and forth between what dry shampoo I love all the time. There's a few different drugstore ones that I always go back and forth, but I don't know like why I never realized that this one was so much better, because I've been using a different, very popular dry shampoo for a long time. And then I used this one and it was like completely, like, this one's so much better. I've been using it twice a day, like in my roots, and it just keeps my hair so voluminous and also not oily, which is what we all want. So like I said, I've been having technical difficulties. My blow dryer also decided to stop working over the past month, and so I had to get a new one. And I just got this super cheap one. Like, it's by Conair, which is the brand I had before. That blow dryer, you guys, was probably like 3 or 4 years old, and I'm surprised it lasted as long as it did because it was looking rough. But anyways, there is a blow dryer that I still want, but it's like super, super expensive and just isn't practical right now. So I ended up picking up this one. It's just the Infinity Pro by Conair. It's like literally one of the cheapest blow dryers you can get, but it works really well. It comes with this little, I don't know what this is even called, this little end piece that is detachable. Okay, I think this is my last item to show you guys. So I haven't been using this, so ignore the fact that I'm super pale. I was using this a lot before I went on vacation, and then I kind of got lazy when I got back. But this is the Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. So this is really interesting because you put it on when you're done showering, like when you're still soaking wet, but it's a gradual tanner. So I got the medium to tan color, which I think is the darker color, if I'm correct. And I like this a lot because whenever I use like a foam or a mousse or a gel, really any kind of self-tanner that you have to like put on a mitt and, you know, rub it all over your body, like I always look streaky, I always look orange, and like it never comes out the way I want it to. So since this one is gradual, it kind of like builds up over time. So even if you don't apply it super evenly or you miss a spot or something, like over time it all cancels out and it looks really good. Also, it's super easy to use. Like you literally just put it on like a lotion on your wet skin, and then you just like pat dry with your towel. So easy, and also another affordable product. Okay, that is it for today's video. Just a super quick kind of favorites update for you guys. I feel like these kind of favorites videos aren't as popular as they used to be, but I really like doing them. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.